Hey there, we're very happy that you want to learn more about DayCaptain and how to use it, so let's get started. If you go to the website, you can log in there and you already see what it is about personal time and task management. Why? Because we really wanted to have a tool for ourselves, how to plan the things that are due tomorrow and the day afterwards, how to plan our tasks, and then also assign some time in our calendar. So that is what it is about. If you go to the website, you will actually see that you can navigate it with your keyboard as well. Why? Because there is a quite thought out keyboard concept, and you will see that usually the task and time management apps out there lack and fast and efficient usability, and they don't allow you to combine to-dos and calendars. And this is why ultimately we developed DayCaptain to use just ourselves, and we've done that for a few years. And how it looks like is just as follows: that you can write down your tasks that are due tomorrow or on a specific day, and you can assign a time for them. So it is, you imagine you have a time planner like you would do on paper, and you can just write down what's due tomorrow, what you want to work on, sorted by priority, and then you can assign some time, because otherwise, if you don't really block some time in your calendar, a task list is just wishful thinking. And what we wanted to have is a proper combination here, so that we can write something down in our task list and actually assign some time. And as you can see with the colors and the connections, it has actually assigned here. The second thing is that we want some usability for the keyboard where it's actually fast to use, because otherwise it pretty much feels like a burden, right? So imagine this day comes and then we have to change something. For example, I worked longer on this task than planned. I would otherwise just go into it and then manually to update these times, and that just takes too long. So what we did, we actually did a keyboard concept that is just much faster to use, where we can quickly adapt for whenever this task is due, or how long we worked on a specific event. The same is true for some meetings or for some events that are typically part of our calendar. But what we want to achieve is that we get back the control, that we specify what we want to work on, that we have the control over our calendar. And the important things that we want to achieve on that day should therefore be assigned and reserved in our calendar. And we need a fast usability concept to be able to change that quickly. So that is the reason why we ultimately develop this tool for ourselves, that we're able to work on this with high efficiency.